How to solve the Netflix payment pending problem. Hello everyone, my name is Mal and in this video I'm going to show you how you can solve this problem of yours. So you can simply install the Netflix by going to the Google Play Store. On the top search bar you need to search for the Netflix right here. See if there is any update option available, then do update it. If not, then you can simply open your Netflix just as it is. After opening your Netflix, what you need to do is check the payment method. Ensure that the payment methods details you have entered, that is your credit or the get debit card, PayPal, etc. are correct and up to date. So verify available funds. Make sure that your payment method has sufficient funds to cover the Netflix subscription cost. Because if you don't have funds there, then the payment was also not successful. If this does not work, then you need to update your payment method. Go to your Netflix account settings, select the billing details or update your payment information. Now, enter a new payment method or update the existing one with the correct details. After that, you need to retry payment again. After updating your payment, you need to retry your payment by going to the Netflix account, go to the account option, now go to the billing detail option and select the retry payment if available. If not, then just go to the payment and do it again. Now contact your bank or payment provider if none of this works. Sometimes bank or payment providers may block the transaction for security reasons. So contact your bank or payment provider to ensure that there are no issues with your account. Or you can also use a different payment method if one payment method does not work. And also you need to check your service outages as well. So there are also some additional tips that you need to follow, like clearing your browser cache and cookies, and contact the Netflix support, because if none of the steps work, then what you need to do is contact the Netflix support and state your problem, and your problem will be considered after a few hours to few days as well, and your problem might also be solved, and you can simply resolve the payment pending issue on your Netflix account and continue enjoying your streaming service without any interruption. So I hope this video helped you. If you like the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button and also comment in the comment section below.